Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the basics quickly. Make sure your Apple TV is powered and both it and your iPhone share the same Wi-Fi network. Once done, turn Bluetooth on your iPhone and sign into the same Apple ID used on the Apple TV. Next, add the Apple TV remote to Control Center or install a third-party remote app. This gives you immediate control. You do this because AirPlay pairing and remote discovery depend on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth visibility. You now pair and take control. Open Control Center and tap the Apple TV remote, then select your Apple TV from the device list. If the Apple TV shows a 4-digit code, enter it on your iPhone. Sometimes pairing is automatic when both devices are visible. Once paired, use swipes to navigate and long press for Siri if available. Make sure to go to Settings, Remotes, and Devices to confirm the connection and enable any required features for smoother control. Finish by securing and optimizing your setup. Set a remote passcode or enable home sharing so future connections are seamless, and adjust sleep settings to avoid losing access. If pairing fails, restart the Apple TV and your router, then try again. Rebooting often resolves discovery issues. As a last resort, connect via Ethernet for stable network or use a USB-C service cable to restore the device. If things still go wrong, power cycle everything and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.